children.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, children.
Hello, teacher.
Are you happy today?
Yes.
Okay. We want to learn physical and health education today. Is that okay? Remember, in our last class, we talked about games. We talked about what? Games. And we said that games are divided into two: local games and ball games. We have local games and we have ball games. Everybody say ball games. In our last class, we talked about local games. Today we want to talk about ball games. Everybody say ball games. How many of you like playing ball games?
Me.
If you like playing ball games, say I. Say I. Good. We will not learn ball games sitting on our seat. Is that okay? Now all of you come out. When we talk, don't sit on the desk. Come down, just stand. Good. Now listen up. Don't play today, so that we learn very fast and go. Wouldn't you like to go for break?
Yeah.
Good. So don't play, so that we learn very fast and go. Now listen very carefully. In ball games, we have volleyball. Everybody say volleyball.
Volleyball.
Say volleyball.
Volleyball.
We have football. Say football.
Football.
We have basketball. Say basketball. That's good. Now listen. We want to learn football today. Let's keep this one. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Football is a game played by a team. Football is a game played by two teams. Everybody say two teams.
Two teams.
Of 11 players. Say 11 players.
11 players.
So each of the team has 11 players. Is that okay?
Yes.
Each of the team has 11 players. Do you get it right?
Yes.
The aim of this game is to do what? To be the team with the highest goals. There is a post. So you play the ball and make sure it enters the post. When it enters the post, it's a score for you. Is that okay? Is that okay? And when you have the highest goal, you become the winner. There are basic skills in football. Everybody say basic skills.
Basic.
Say basic skills.
Basic.
Good. We will look at these basic skills. Number one is kicking. Number one is what? Kicking. Success. Come. This is the ball. This is the ball. Success. Kick the ball this way. Success just did what? Kicked the ball. Say success just did what? Kicked the ball. So kicking is what? One of the basic skills in football. Is that okay? Favor, come to me. Good. Take the ball. Remember how you would throw the ball? Good. Favor, throw the ball to me. No. Throw it like this. Good. Throw it. Good. Favor just threw the ball to me. So throwing is another skill in what? Football. Throwing is another skill in what? Football. Joyce. Good. I will roll the ball to you and I want you to stop the ball with your leg. Is that okay? Now. Go! Joyce just stopped the ball with her leg, which means stopping is another basic skill in what? Football. Everybody say kicking,
Kicking.
throwing,
Throwing.
and stopping.
And stopping.
Kicking,
Kicking.
throwing,
Throwing.
and stopping.
And stopping.
These are the basic skills in what? In football. Is that okay? There are some safety rules you observe. There are some safety rules you observe when playing games. Rule number one, remove all dangerous objects. Do you get it? Don't allow nails or broken bottles. Rule number two, use shin guards. Use shin guards. You wear it on your knee, especially, or any protective device, so that you don't break any part of your body like your ankle or your head. Rule number three, use equipment carefully. And final rule, make sure you warm up. How do you warm up? Before you start any game, you first of all warm up. Oh yeah, look at me, everybody, let's go. You warm up, you warm up, you warm up, you warm up. And after this, you now enjoy your game. After this, you now enjoy your game. I hope you observe these rules and enjoy your games. Thank you very much for listening and see you next time. Say bye-bye.
5 minutes.